Number 1. Budgeting and tracking. Ignoring your spending is the most common mistake. Many people genuinely do not know where their money goes each month. Start by tracking every single purchase for 30 days. The second major error is not having a budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money, giving every dollar a job. It is a tool for freedom, not restriction. Being unrealistic with your budget leads to failure. Don't cut out everything you enjoy instantly. Allocate a reasonable amount for fun, like dining out or simple entertainment. Mistake number 4 is focusing on monthly bills only. You must include annual or infrequent expenses, like insurance premiums or holiday gifts, and save for them slowly. Number 2. Debt and credit. One major trap is carrying high-interest credit card debt. The interest alone can negate any potential investment gains. Prioritize paying off any debt above 10% interest first. People often make the error of only paying the minimum balance due. This keeps you in debt longer and costs you hundreds or thousands more in unnecessary interest charges. A poor habit is opening too many credit cards at once. While tempting, this quickly lowers your average credit age and can damage your score, increasing future borrowing costs. A common mistake is failing to check your credit report annually. Errors can dramatically affect your ability to get loans or rent an apartment. Check it for free and frequently. Number 3. Savings and investing. The biggest mistake in saving is not paying yourself first. Automation is key. Set up a transfer to your savings or investment account the moment your paycheck arrives, every single time. Many people make the error of only having a savings account. Inflation slowly erodes the value of uninvested cash over time. Your money needs to be put to work actively. A classic investing mistake is trying to time the market perfectly. No one can predict the future. Consistent, periodic investing over many years always beats short-term speculation. Another pitfall is lacking an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, such as job loss or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses immediately for peace of mind. Number 4. Psychology and behavior. Lifestyle inflation is a silent killer of wealth. As your income rises, you increase your spending instead of your savings rate. Keep your fixed costs as low as possible. The financial mistake of keeping up with the Joneses is deadly. Comparing your life to others forces you into unnecessary purchases. Run your own race without external pressure. Finally, procrastination is the ultimate mistake. Delaying financial decisions, whether budgeting or investing, costs you valuable time and the magic of compounding interest forever.